So all of us who drive big SUVs, well, this isn't great news, but we'll wait until that happens. While there is a huge demand for homes across the country, on the other hand, a new research report is saying that there is an inventory build-up of over 100 million square feet in residential projects. So will we see a sharp price correction in prices? That's the big question.
As prices of homes reach record levels, it seems buyers might have reached their breaking point too and are not willing to buy homes at these inflated prices. According to a recent report by real estate research firm Liasis Foris, the inventory build-up in residential segments has reached an all-time high of 100 million square feet. A whopping 45% increase in prices in Mumbai itself over the last 1 year has resulted in a 68% increase in inventory pile-up, with affordable housing seeing 40% build-up. A clear indication that the market is not willing to absorb such price rises. On the other hand, developers like HDIL, DLF and the Rahejas are launching residential projects every quarter.
The market has just come out this year only out of the recession that it was going through. And that's primarily the reason that there's been so many project launches across all segments in residential, whether it's luxury or affordable. We've seen that the smaller units have been sold out instantly. So you can see that probably around 80% of the units that we've launched have been sold out. Only the larger units are the ones which are slightly slower moving.
The slowdown in sales is not restricted to the luxury segment. It seems that inflated prices have a cascading effect on other segments as well. While there is a huge demand in the country for affordable housing, this segment too is facing a severe glut.
Even the affordable segments, the glut is increasing because the affordable segment itself is not becoming affordable, because the reason is it is so far away, the person cannot go to live over there and come to his place of work. So there is an absolute mismatch between aspirations and what person can afford.
According to analysts, the secondary market or the resale market has seen a price correction of 10 to 15% in the last few months. The primary market or the under construction buildings are expected to see a price correction very soon. Now, whether developers like it or not, price corrections are much needed at this point of time to stimulate demand. Nishtha Sharma, Bloomberg UTV, Mumbai.
An inventory build-up happening in the realty sector. Well, still to come on The Final Word. Even as the world is debating protectionism, HCL Shiv Nadar says that country-specific cost